They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery for Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
All right.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.
Did you know that ADT and Samsung SmartThings have created an easy way to help make your home secure and smart? Your home security system needs a brain, so get started with an ADT Security Hub. It features a 7-inch touchscreen control panel, a built-in siren, battery and cellular data backup, and dual encryption wireless technology. Next, add ADT detectors and alarms to help protect your home from intrusion, fire, floods, and more. Choose from a range of wireless devices which can be installed in minutes. Then, help protect your home and family 24/7 with optional ADT professional monitoring services. Choose from a range of intrusion detection and life safety services with low month-to-month rates and no long-term contracts. Finally, turn your home into a smart home with your ADT Security Hub. Choose from a wide range of Works with SmartThings devices, including lights, cameras, doorbells, door locks, thermostats, sensors, and more. ADT and Samsung SmartThings, the easy way to help make your home secure and smart.
Meet Echo Spot,
Hi there.
a compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep tight.
Echo Spot from Amazon.